Hello everyone, today I am up with an interesting topic, scarcity. Scarcity is a very basic concept in economics. In other words, scarcity is equal to economics. We'll see what is scarcity by an example clip. If you have 200 rupees, what will you buy? You might go for a cinema or you might go to a bookstore to buy a book. Just consider this, okay? Now, the cinema ticket is equal to 200 rupees and the book you want is equal to 200 rupees. Here you have only 200 rupees. Is it possible for you to attain both your wants? It is not possible to attain both your wants because you don't have enough resource. Is this situation scarcity? Yes. What is it? Scarcity is nothing but unlimited wants, limited resources. It is a situation where the available resources cannot satisfy the limitless or unlimited wants. As you have only 200 rupees, your both wants cannot be satisfied. Your both wants together is equal to 400 rupees. So it is not possible to attain both. That is why here scarcity arises due to limited resources and unlimited wants. But here you might throw up a question like, if I go to cinema with a ticket of 100 rupees, or what if I go and buy a second-hand book for 100 rupees? My wants will be fulfilled with my resource. If this is your question, I will answer like, as a human, our wants will be unlimited. If your wants are only 2, it can be fulfilled with the available resource. But we humans are not at all satisfied with what we have. We want more and more. So our wants are unlimited, but the resource available for it is scarce. That is limited. So that is why scarcity arises. Hope you understood the meaning of scarcity. Scarce. What is scarce? Something it is not enough, we call that as scarce. Over here, according to scarcity, resources are scarce. But what is resources? Resources are nothing but the factor used to produce a good or a service. The input which we put in to bring out the output, we call that as resource. For example, time, water, wood, etc. etc. There are lots of resources but available in limited range. I'll give another example. Now you might use a laptop, smartphone or a tablet to watch this video. So what you have is an output. So to bring in this output, we have made some input, like for example, time to produce the output, the glasses being used, all such things are resources. So this is the meaning of resource. I'll explain you in detail in my next video about the factors of production. Something to know, what is the difference between need and want? Need is something very essential for life, but want is like a wish or a desire of something, for something. So here is an example. This apple is your need, but this apple is your want. I'll give you another example, like need is like a basic food, clothes, shelter, all such things you need to live a life. But want luxurious goods such as a car, even a smartphone is your want. You can live without a smartphone, right? Do you think all the resources are scarce? Sunlight or air, these are also a resource but available in unlimited range. There are also some resources which are not scarce, such as sunlight, air, so many things are also there. One more example for you here. Example case. Mr. Y is free for an hour. He is up with 2 options. Playing a video game, duration 1 hour. Watching series, another 1 hour. What is scarce here? Do you have any guesses? Like what is scarce? Here's a situation of scarcity. What resource is scarce? And your wants are watching series and playing video game. But what is scarce here? The answer is time. Why is so? This is because you have only 1 hour of time, but your wants are 2, which is equal to 2 hours. But you're free for only 1 hour. So your resource time is not able to satisfy the limitless wants. Hope you understood the meaning of scarcity. So, if you understand the meaning of scarcity, try answering these questions. Explain the nature of economic problem. Do all countries face the basic economic problem? Each for 4 marks. Here I would like to tell you one more thing. Economic problem is faced by every economy because of scarcity. Each firms, individuals and government will have to allocate their resources according to the wants and needs they have. And why is this economic problem? It's because of scarcity. We don't have enough resources, right, to satisfy the wants, and this is the cause of economic problem, and it is obviously faced by many economies. And one more thing is, in order to solve this economic problem, Samuelson, an economist, came up with 3 questions: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. What to produce is like there are lots of goods can be produced, but with the scarce resources available, what are all the goods we have to produce? The best combination of goods and services which we produce according to the want and need. And how to produce, whether using a labor intensive method or capital intensive method, like which factor is best fit to produce this output, and for whom to produce. Finally, the society have to decide like who will benefit from this good or a service. So this is what is about economic problem and scarcity. And one more thing is, I've got this question from IGCSE past paper. Just try answering them. I will post a sample answer in my next video. Hope this video could have been informative. Have a nice day.